Yo, yo, how we doing, boys? How we doing? How we doing? How's the music sound, YT? How's everything sound? Everything good? How we doing, boys? How we doing? Yo, Blur, how we doing, my boy? Yo, how we doing? Andre Cardenas, what's going on? If you guys are joining in on the YT or the TikTok, drop a like. We are live on both platforms, the YT and the TikTok. Make sure you guys drop follows, tune in. 8600 on that internal draw. Love it, love it, love it. Hello from Costa Rica. How we doing? How we doing? You guys are tuning in. Make sure you guys drop a like right away. Drop a like. Drop follows. How we doing? How we doing? How we doing, YT? How we doing, boys? What up, D? How we doing? How we doing? How is everyone doing? Are you not streaming on TikTok, my brother? No, I am. We are live on the TikTok. Make sure you guys join on the TikTok. If you guys are joining in, drop likes. Get it rolling early. Get it rolling early, boys. Get it rolling early. How we doing, boys? Santiago, how we doing? How we doing, Derek Martin? How we doing, Tyson? Found it, Florida. How we doing? How's the TikTok doing? Alan, like up the stream right away, boys. How are we doing? How are we doing? We pushed off that Bears 4-hour IC. Yes, we did. Let's see here, boys. Let's see. 3 days left till pay my B-Day today, so let's hit TP. Let's get it. Let's get it. How we doing today, boys? How we doing? If you're joining on the TikTok, like it up, boys. Like it up. Camelot, how we doing? Santiago, no, I do not trade the 5 hour, my boy. Let's take a peek at it. The GOAT, how we doing, Camelot? What's going on? Best of luck and success. Appreciate it, appreciate it. We're gonna see here, boys. We're gonna see what we get, what we get. What's good, boss man? How we doing? How we doing? Changing the state. How we doing, boys? How we doing? This is not Ben. No, this is not Ben. My name is DEEJTRADESS, boys. DEEJTRADESS. If you guys want to drop follows, let me know. Let me know. What's good, boss man? What's going on? What firms do you mostly use? Apex, Lucid, Tradeify. All beautiful. Make sure you use code Ben to get the best discount on all those firms. Always. I am pretty bullish. I am pretty bullish here. Saw your X post with all those R tools. Yeah, we were taking trades left and right last night, tape reading some stuff, and we were booming. Working on some new stuff, boys. Bullish until the 4-hour I'm mitigated. That is my target. That is my target. I'm going to be looking for any internal to external model. I'm probably going to wait till we hit the discount of this range here. Find some longs. Ideally, I'd be looking at this 15-minute gap here. Ideally, I'd be looking at the 15-minute gap. How does the music sound, boys? Does music sound fine? Loud enough? Not loud enough? Let me know. Let me know. Ty Stefano, thank you for the follow, my boy. Appreciate it. The indicator is just called HFPO3. A lot of people ask me for that. That's all it is. You look a little different, bro. Me? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Got you, got you. How's that? How's that? You only use inversion as your entry model or confirmation? No. Not always, not always. Perfect, perfect. Let's get it. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. Yeah, I want to see us come down to a discount of this range. I want to see us continue higher. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. If I clear my chart here, we have a failure swing here. Changing the state on the hourly. Want to see this continue higher. This is going to be my main target tonight. So all I'm looking for here is just a rebalance and then expansion higher. Let's get another banging Asia session. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you guys are tuning in, make sure you guys drop follows, drop likes, like up the streams. If you guys are enjoying, let's get it. But yeah, changing the state here. I want to see this just continue to these highs. So basically just an internal to external. If we're going to sit here and stall, we're going to end up creating an hourly fair value gap here when this hourly closes. And if that does happen, we'll look to take some entries here. Maybe find something in here, expand higher. But yeah. See what plays here, boys. See what plays here. Right now, we do have a 15-minute gap here that I'm interested in. I'm going to see if we can't get the expansion down to the 15-minute gap. That's all I'm going to be looking for is this 15-minute gap to get tapped. You always trade your live Asia? Yes, 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 yes. You've been streaming on this account for like a week and people are still confused, I know. What up, bro? Hope you're doing well. Okay, how we doing, my boy? Thank you for tuning in. Kind of what I'm thinking here, boys. Let's look at previous day high, previous day low. Yeah, we just created a daily here. I guarantee you our target's this daily BPR. This daily BPR is probably going to be our target. Can't beat me. How we doing, my boy? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get it. Let's get it. What model do you trade? ICT concepts, IFVGs. Bro, explain perfectly the volume imbalances. What do you mean? Volume imbalance is just like this. So we have a space between these two candles. That's all volume imbalance is. But yeah, I'm looking to take previous day high for sure. Previous day high. We're coming up here. We'll see. Deej, West Side Vicious. How we doing, my boy? Can't beat me. Appreciate you, my dog. Daily BPR. You see how we have a fair value gap here? This is a BPR. We have a fair value gap here. Bearish. We also have a bullish one here. So the intertwining between the two is just a balanced price range. That's what BPR stands for. But I am going to look to target previous day high, boys. Previous day high. Maybe find some expansion here. But yeah, that's kind of my thought. We're going to see if we can't get a little entry here. Get a little entry. We're kind of stalling here. I'd like to see this manipulate lower off the open. Ramondo, how we doing, my boy? Thank you for tuning in. As always, as always. What's good, Deej? Kenny, how we doing? Moriano John, how we doing, my boy? That's what always confuses me. The difference between a BPR and a IFVG, aren't they the same thing? No. A BPR and an inversion fair value gap are not the same thing. Why are you not interested in taking shorts targeting the 600s? shorts targeting the 600s. I mean, that's kind of where I mean, I'm long biased, but I want to see us come down to the 600s. That's where I want to see this stagger to, or at least come down into, is this 15 and expand higher. I'm counting how many times you saved my boy today. What up, my dude? How we doing? Banger day yesterday, Deej. Let's get it again. Thank you for tuning in, my dude. See how weird that sounds? Nah. What up, my boy? Yeah, we're chilling. Yeah, I love that. I love that. All right, we're gonna wait for this 15-minute range to be rebalanced here. I really want to see us come down in here and expand. In fair value gaps, you mark the wick too? No. This is not Benjamin. This is not Benjamin, boys. For those of you that are tuning in, my name is DEEJTRADESS. I've been trading for almost 5 years now. If you guys want to follow me on the socials, YT, IG, TikTok, and X. I have all these platforms. Make sure you drop follows. I do handle the Asia streams here on Benjamin SMC's channels. On the YT, we are live. On the TikTok, we are live. Thank you guys for tuning in as always. You don't want the first presented 15? I mean, if we start to come through this 15, we'll look for this 15 here, but ideally I'd be waiting for this here. Whoever doesn't know this man drops knowledge, grab a notepad. Appreciate it, my boy. Appreciate it. Yesterday was goated. Yesterday was goated. You didn't stream New York? Nope, I did not. Feeling bullish tonight, we need Asia to dump, retrace before continuing higher. Exactly what I'm looking for. I really want to see this come down in here and then expand higher. We are creating some nice LR here too. In here, maybe get a big manipulation, failure swing here, and then find some sort of inversion. Back to this 15. Once we get to this 15, I'm gonna look to basically find some V-shaped recovery out of here and have us expand. Ideally what I'm looking for. Do you like the entries on the 1 minute? I do. We're just chopping here, boys, just chopping. What is LR? It's basically just a trend line. But it's low resistance liquidity. So anytime you guys see some stuff like this where it just channels up, you'll have a big manipulation, then a distribution, and it'll happen quickly. This is the LR right here. All this low resistance liquidity. This is where all the orders are stacked. So you have orders here. It's just gonna run them all super quickly, and then we V-shape out of it. Do you always protect the 4-hour candle on the PL3 indicator? I think I've seen the 1-hour candle. Yeah, sometimes I use the 1 hour. Like in Asia, I'll use the 1 hour because we don't hit a new 4-hour open for a while. Best thing about Deej is his patience, and once he bangs, haters gone. Appreciate it, my boy. Tsunami, thank you for tuning in. You stream AM session or just Asia? Just Asia right now. Been learning a lot from Deej. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Deej, for the free sauce. Learning a lot from you. Much love, dude. Much love. Mike, how we doing? Is my model the same like Ben or no? It's similar, not exactly the same though. Higher time frame PO3, yeah. What up, Deej? Thanks for tuning in, Mike. How are you? Long time no see, Mike. I haven't seen you in a minute. Primal, how we doing? Primal, you peep this? I called this on my X. Look at this. Guess where we're headed to? I know exactly where we're headed. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. You up bands yet? No, I'm not. I'm not. Use alpha futures? Not right now, currently, no. Deej, what's the bias? I'm bullish. I'm gonna wait for an internal to external here out of this 15. Let's get it. Can you tell us what you offer on Discord? I have a free, completely free side, and then we do live classes Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern. I kind of want to bang this short right here, low key. What are the settings for your fib? I'll show you in a sec here. Bullish or bearish? I am bullish. I want to see us come down to this 15 though, and then expand out of here. We'll see, we'll see. Wait for open. The follow through is trash. Yeah, I know. Free class on what day and platform? It's not free. I offer a premium side of my Discord where we do classes every Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern. So if you want to tune in, the link's in my bio and my TikTok. Aren't we bearish though on higher time frame? No, we are not. At least short term here for Asia. At least the delivery that I'm gonna want to see. Short term, I'm just targeting the side tonight. This is my main DOL here. We also have a 4-hour mitigated above us here. Make sure Signal cooks, bro. My express accounts count on it. I love hearing that. I love hearing that. Damn, there's the 1 minute inverse. I might give this a whirl here, low key. I'm gonna try just a small position. Yeah, we're gonna slap it on here. I'm gonna try a small short here, boys. Super light risk, super light risk. I wanna see us come down here. Please do not full port this. Please do not full port this. I'm gonna try a small position here, see if we can't get to this 15. I'm playing on this 5 minute flipping, giving us a change in the state on the 5 minute here. I'm gonna go break even once we sweep these lows. We also got an inversion too. I'm gonna need this 5 minutes of flip though. 15 looking like it wants to come down to. Please do not full port this, boys. I'm just trying this out. Very small risk. I'm only risking 200. So if you're gonna take this, please be risk free on this. I need to see this 5 minute close below this here. If it's not going to, it's going to be a little rough to the downside here. Whoa, nasty reaction, boys. Nasty reaction. We're just a little early here, I think. Just a little early here, I think. That 5 minute doesn't want to flip yet. Yeah, no. I'm gonna see if I can't get out of break even here. See if this wants to make a failure swing. We'll see if this wants to come down. Very small position, boys. Very small position. Need to see this start to push here. I need to see this 5 minute give us the change in the state here. Need to see the 5 minute give us this change in the state. We got 20 seconds here. It needs to start delivering lower. I'm gonna manage risk here a little bit. I'm gonna trail my stop to this high, so we're risking nothing. Risking nothing here, boys. Absolutely free trade. Manage risk there. We're gonna drop the stop a little bit lower here, just because this 5 minute doesn't look like it's gonna give us this change in the state. It's got to start closing pretty hefty here. That's a decent close there on the 5 minute. See if you want to get the push down here. If not, we're gonna get tagged out very quickly. Managed risk super well though. We're risking almost less than 100 here. Less than 100. Less than 100 bones. Just seeing if we can get the continuation down. This may get stopped out. Oof. Yeah, we're risking like $100 here, boys. It took me out of 3. What do you mean it took me out of 3 positions? What? Huh. It took me out of 3 of my positions, not the whole thing. What the heck? Alright, there we go. Okay, small stop out. Small stop out, boys. Small stop out, boys. We're just making some LR here. Once we get a big expansion, I'll look to try that short again. It did to me too. That's crazy. Wait to see here, boys. Wait to see. Very, very small risk. Thank you for the heart. Appreciate it, BX. Much love, my boy. How are you? How we doing, YT? What's your win rate for this month? It's pretty high, my boy. I feel like I shouldn't have trailed my stop there. Erg. Erg. That's fantastic. Yeah, if you're still holding that break even now, that's all right. We're only down $100. Primal, what up, my boy? I know I trailed it here. I'm still in. How my stop 2 points above your stop? Love it. Wow, I know. Pretty brutal there. Pretty brutal. Got tagged out. It's okay. Stops the invalidation. Yeah. Still in. All good. All good. All good. I'm gonna wait for us to get a little retrace here. I think longs are definitely the play, so we're good. We're good. We're good. We're chilling. That entry, I would definitely like. I would take this to this 15. I would take this at least down to here. That's where I would look for some form of reversal. Hourly opens in 6 minutes. It does. It does. It does. Damn, son. How we doing, Hack? What's going on? We got Asia open here in 6 minutes, boys. Asia open here in 6 minutes. If you are still holding this trade, I would take this down to this 15 minute at least, boys. At least. Stayed in, quick 300, love it. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have trailed there. That's my fault. I'm working on some new stuff, boys, so we're figuring this out. Why the short setup, may I ask? Look at the 15-minute. We're about to get a 15-minute change in the state. 5-minute here. Failure swing. Change in the state. Let's see if we get a retest back up into this here, because we just confirmed that there. That's right, that OB. We'll see if this plays out. If we look to get a re-entry here. I got out. All good, my boy. Damn, that sucks. Yeah, I would have played this. I would probably hold this position until these lows. At 590.65, that's probably where I'd look to hold those two. Once we get there, we will look for this. We will look for that, boys. Like up the stream. TikTok, we're at 7,000 likes. Like it up, boys. Like it up, like it up. Should I re-enter? No. Hourly gap hold at 562. We got 4 minutes till the Asia Open, boys. 4 minutes. Like up the stream. How we doing in the chat? YT, how did the morning session go for you guys? How'd the morning session go? Did anyone catch dubs? TikTok, how we doing? Who caught dubs in the TikTok? Who caught dubs in the TikTok? Open up coming up? Yes, it is. Where's the real Ben? Ibiza. Asia Open might get us out of this trade. It may. Should price re-mitigate for value gap, especially a lower time frame one? Maybe. Depends. Caught banger longs this morning. Love it. Who are you? My name is DEEJTRADESS. Make sure you guys follow me on all the socials, boys. All the socials. 1W, 1L today for the morning session. Love it, my boy. Love it. Love it. Timu Ben. Thanks, my boy. Appreciate it. One W, 1L today for morning session. Are you in this trade? Not anymore, no. Should I short? I'm hoping this comes down to this 15-minute gap. We're going to create an hourly here too, so... Dang it, this sucks, boys. This sucks. I feel like the Open's gonna rip this down to the moon. Made my first payout because of you and Ben. Love it, love it, love it. If Asia starts going a little higher, will you re-enter? Yes. Like if we get a push above these highs, I don't think it's going to though. I think it's just gonna go, it's gonna wick up and then it's gonna turn down and just absolutely displace. You married? I am married, yes. We're about to create a 5-minute above. We can tap and continue short. Yes. Oh, this is so unfortunate. I've been working on some stuff, boys, and I know that. Oh, yeah. I was so confident in this. I don't know why I trailed there. Invalidation's right here, boys. Sorry. My fault. My fault. My fault. My fault. My fault. Congrats, brother. Appreciate it, Santiago. Flip, I'm 25, my boy. 25. We got a minute till the Open, boys. A minute till the Open. 350 on the YT. 200 on the TikTok. 8.2K likes on the TikTok. Like it up, boys. Like up the stream. Let's get it going. $380 on the YT. Let's go. Let's go. W's in the chat, boys. W's in the chat. All right, let's see here, boys. Let's see here. Another short play, worried about the 1 hour that just formed. Yeah, we got 10 seconds here. 10 seconds, and then we will see what's going to happen, boys. It's probably going to deliver you a lot lower. We're going to be patient here, boys. Your go-to for real. Appreciate it. Watch the open. It's probably going to wick up here, or it's just going to dump. It should just dump. Wow, this would have been full TP. This is where my full TP would have been at. You didn't take it? We did. We got trailed out. It's alright, boys. We're going to be patient. I think we'll still get a little delivery here. Full TP hit on the B-Day. Let's go. Thanks, Deej. Damn, nice try. It's all good, boys. It's all good. I would have taken this to the 15, so we'll count that as a dub. Mental dub in the books. 3.1 to 1 RR. I want to see what happens when we take this initial draw down here. Maybe we can find some sort of reversal out of this 15-minute. 15 minutes got no top wick. It's probably going to be the next 5 minutes, to be honest. So I'm going to wait here. I want to see a low, and I want to see a low put in this gap. Have a sweep that low, and we'll find an entry here, around here. So we'll see. Bang! Asian market for the win. Love it. Tapped into a 5-minute internal plus the hourly fair. I could maybe go up for the bullish bias you had. Yes, I'm hoping to take some longs out of here. Hoping to take some longs out of here. Hoping to take some longs out of here, boys. W open. I know. W open. That would have been full TP there, boys. Full freaking TP. Wow, that's unfortunate. Unfortunate. A-okay, A-okay. Still in this. W's, W's. Beautifully red. Yeah, no, I knew this was coming. It's alright. We're going to find another entry. I'm playing very small contract sizing so we can play more entries. Because I do see a lot of moves, so we're going to try and give you guys a lot of moves. So please do not full port every trade I call out. Please be patient. Entry for long, I'll let you know here soon. Up 400 on that short. It's all good. Yeah, we called this out. It's all good. All good. Would have taken it to the 15-minute gap. It's all right. The 15's got no top wick. The hourly's got no top wick. We have absolutely no top wick on that. I want to see us maybe wait another 2 minutes and get a flip on this next 5 minute. Maybe we can get a stall here and start pushing higher. Up a band, baby. Love it. Bro, you were too good. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. No, I will not be trading Benz for the New York, boys. Not be trading Benz for the New York. 1 dub in the books. I would have taken it to here, so we'll count this, boys. We'll count it. That sucks, though. That's a great trade. That's a great trade. I'm hoping this 5 minute can kind of stall here. Maybe get a pull up. Have that next 5 minute wick down and start to turn up here. Just left work. How'd the sesh go? We're still cooking, Alice. How we doing? W Mindset. Appreciate it. I texted on Instagram, bro. Please reply. Hopefully it's not on Benjamin's because I don't have Benjamin's Instagram. Time and trade here. Here we go, boys. Here we go. I think this 5 minutes going to flip here. Dang, that sucks. I shouldn't have trailed that there. I trailed my stop to here, and we barely got wicked out. I mean, yeah, I shouldn't have done that. I don't know why I did. My invalidation was here. W trade. It's all good. We're going to find a re-entry here. It's more than likely going to be when we sweep this low. We'll find some sort of V-shape here, and we'll be out. We'll be out of there. Bro, I texted DEEJTRADESS. All right, I got you, my boy. Deej, Flip is a stud. Flip's a stud, huh? What up, Flip? How we doing, my boy? That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, let's see if we can get a sweep here. See if we can get a sweep. We got a 5 minute opening in 25 seconds here, boys. 25 seconds. Beautiful 5 minute rejection. Yeah, it'll probably come make a failure swing here. We'll see. We'll see. I just want to see this draw get taken. I want to see this get reswept here. We're this close to the draw. I don't know why we would continue from here. Ooh. Clean dump to the 15-minute. Yes, yes, yes. I want to see this 5-minute low get swept. Deej knows ball. Don't know how to trade Asia, but love the stream. Appreciate it, my boy. Appreciate it. Bless. Appreciate it, my guy. Much love, much love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. I'd love to see this 5 flip this here. Give me a resweep. Give me a sweep of this. That would be our money grab there. Give us a low, high, lower, low, and then we're going to find that V shape here and we'll be out. Ideally, I'm hoping this resweeps this low. If it doesn't want to, I don't know if I'm going to engage in this just yet. Did you take that or no? Yes, we took the trade here. Trailed, got stopped out by like a point, and then it absolutely delivered. I shouldn't have trailed my stop here. That was just poor management. ES swept, I think. No, ES did not. ES did not. We'll probably come back down, boys. We'll probably come back down, yep. $100 on 2 accounts. Love it, my boy. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, I'd love to see a resweep here. Give me a resweep. Give me a resweep. For me, it's hard to know which fair got price will go in reverse when there's many fair gaps back to back. Yes, it's a tough part of the game, my guy. Tough part of the game. Make sure we like up the stream, boys. Like it up. Make sure you guys use code Ben on all firms to get the best discounts possible. If you're not using code Ben, you do not get the best discounts. Here comes that draw, boys. Here comes that draw. You stream on TikTok? I do. I do. We are live on the TikTok. Live on the TikTok and the YT. Benjamin SMC. Happens to the best of us. Risk was on point. Yeah, my invalidation was here. The resweep of this high was totally valid. We're just tapping into an order block here. But it's alright. New day opening gap. We already filled that, home dog. We mitigated it right away and then retested it and expanded. But we'll see here. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. You only go as low as the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm not taking 30-second entries, my boy. I'm sorry. I'm just not. Alright, let's see here, boys. Let's see here. See if we can get a little bit of a reaction. What's your win rate? It's very high. Ah! It is very high. We have a minute 33 till this next... Damn, we got a 30-minute unicorn model here. This will be the unicorn. We'll count it as a breaker here. Damn! See what we get here, boys. See what we get. See what we get. Is this? It was a 5-minute inverse. No. 1 minute inverse here. I think longs. Yeah, I'm gonna think longs too here. I want to see this next 5 open. We have another 5 coming here. While we wait for the setup, could you please explain the logic? You were spot on. I want to take note. Yes, I got you, my boy. I got you. Should we take longs? I'm getting close to it. I'm thinking about it here. Let me mark out this OT of this range here. Let's see where we're at. I don't even think we rebalanced 50% of the range here. Okay, so we're right at 50% here. Let's see what happens here, boys. Let's see what happens. Just being patient. Just being patient. Just being patient, boys. What happens? You have Astro A20s. One more expansion lower? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Perfect equal highs at old stop loss. I know. It'll be beautiful to target. It'll be beautiful. You stream New York AM session? I do not. No, I do not. Why'd you give up on DJ and just go with Deej? It just sounds better. Deej. I'm up 75K. Congrats, my boy. Congrats, boss. Let's see here, boys. Let's see. Just being patient. We are in this 15-minute gap. We're also in an hourly gap. We're in a 30-minute gap. We're in a 15-minute gap. We're in a lot of gaps right now. So I'm just being patient here and waiting. Just being patient and waiting. Up a million. Locked. Love it. Love it, my boy. Love it. Exerlian, how we doing? Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys use code BEN on all firms. Get the best discount. Apex Trader funding is 90% off with code BEN. No consistency in the evaluation with code BEN as well. You can stack 20 of those accounts. Make sure you guys head over there and cop those accounts while they have the discount going on, boys. Wins on the AM? Yes, took a couple wins on the AM here. Might take this 2-minute inversion. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for us to kind of shift some structure here. If we put a failure swing here, like if we get a failure swing leg and then get some form of inversion to the upside, I would like that. 10K likes, Deej, love it. TikTok, thank you for the 10K likes. Like it up. Do gaps give most likely longs or shorts? Just depends on the gap. I'm gonna wait here for this 5-minute change in the state. See if we get this confirmation out of this gap. See if we get the flip out of this gap here. This would be very awesome if we got this. I'm gonna need to see this 5-minute start to flip here. Give me a bullish close on the 5-minute. If we get it, I will look for a retracement down. And then a change in the state back up to the upside. Wait, we got to be patient here, boys. We got 34 seconds till this closes. I need to see us close above this 5-minute. Give us a change in the state here. 15's looking mega gross. We're going to create a new 15 here in 20 minutes, so maybe we want to get a little bit push. Maybe give us that push lower. A failure swing back up to the upside. This is a beautiful 5-minute close. I love that. I love that. Didn't take the 1-minute inverse. No. 2-minute inverse. I mean, the 2-minute looks good. I'm just going to wait for us to rebalance this leg here. Gonna wait for us to rebalance this leg. Where's Ben, bro? Ben's in Ibiza right now. He is chilling. That 15 is gross. That's crazy. Just being patient, boys. I just want to see this come give us a retest down in here, and then we'll find some longs. Where's the wife? Downstairs, I think. Should I take a trade at the gym? That'd be funny. That'd be pretty sick. Alrighty, boys. Let's see here. Let's see. Damn, the market just doesn't want to chill out. Give me a failure swing here. ES is done rebalancing. All good. Bottom ticked at 591. Congrats, my boy. Congrats. Wow. Took the 2-minute inversion. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. We're just ripping with no remorse here, boys. We're just ripping with no remorse. We will get a rebalance, though. I mean, if this is just going to pump, it's just going to pump. Be what it be. Or else are you live on? YT. Benjamin SMC. Deej, Benji lost 26 trades in a row, by the way. No shot he did. Did you take the 15-minute inverse? Depends on if we take that higher or not. I don't think we're going to. You took the 1-minute inversion. Yeah, the problem with the 1 minute is we had a 2-minute here. It's A-okay. A-okay, boys. I'm stupid, it says on the screen. Yeah, it does. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I saw this. I marked this out. I would have taken the entry here, but it's alright. Unfortunate. Missed the entry. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Let's wait for a retracement here. See if we get a pull back down in here into like the 0.5 of the range. We'll see if we can find a little bit of retracement. How'd you meet Ben? He came across my stream once. I was waiting for you to enter. It's all good. The 1 minute and the 2 minute close at the same time. Love it. Leave these relative equal highs here. Oh, I would love that. And give me like one of these. And just a bullish flip. And I'll be in there. And I'll be in that. I'll be in that. It should come back at a tap once a minute. It used to be some last bearish leg. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see here. We have a tiny little BPR. No, we don't. Just a 1 minute here. Are you still holding, looking for longs? Yes, 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 yes. My draw's up here. We're still pretty far away from my draw at 109 points. breaker retest, hopefully. I know, I'm hoping we get that. It is a unicorn on the 2 and the 3 minute and the 3 minutes of breaker black model. Let me see where that's 0.62. That OT of the range is right there. We'll see if we get a push down there. I would love to find an entry down here, boys. Flux charts, how we doing? How are we doing? Yeah, I'm gonna look to rebalance this leg, boys. If we don't, we just continue higher here. It's just gonna be unfortunate, but. Can you please introduce yourself? My name is DEEJTRADESS. I have all socials: TikTok, YT, Instagram, X. Make sure you follow me on all the socials. I go live here on Ben's channel every Asia session, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you guys tune in. We are live every single day on the TikTok and the YT. Make sure you drop likes, tune in every single day. I've been trading for a little bit over 5 years now. We did 25K in payouts last month. So I do take payouts. Have taken payouts. I am valid. I promise. But yeah, make sure you guys use code Ben to get the best discount on all firms, boys. We're amazing. How are you doing? Doing good. Doing good. Waiting for an entry. Missed 2 entries here. Took this guy, stopped out. This entry here I didn't take, but should have. Have you met Benj in person? Yes, I have. He came to my wedding. He came to my wedding. Is the PO3 indicator free? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Looking in along at the breaker? Yeah, my point of interest is going to be around here. Again, that is rebalancing this leg at about 50% OTE, that golden pocket. But yeah, I really just want to see this come down here. Give us a V shape out of there. I don't know if it's going to, though. Does not look like it's going to. Thinking about switching from New York AM to Asia. What do you think? It kind of depends. What's the indicator? It's called HTFPO3 right here. SPR, thank you for the roses, my boy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Much love, my boy, much love. Through personal experience, has Asia been better than New York for you? Yes. Recently. Can we target now? Can we long now to target the daily for value gap? No. All right, we just confirmed that we're coming down here. We got a change in the state here. I want to see this come rebalance at least 50% of this leg, and then we'll look to turn around and take this to the upside. Can you guys not see my comments? No, I can see them. Cloud, how we doing? How to use the PO3 indicator? I just leave it on the higher time frame, and I can basically see the manipulation and the distribution of the higher time frame candles. Equal high again. I know. I know. Take this shorts. No, I'm not in this, boys. I'm not in this. I'm gonna see if we can come rebalance this leg here. We do have a 3-minute unicorn model. Longs to previous day high. Yeah, I'm looking to target higher. Stagger up off open. That's a perfect setup if we go to the unicorn model. Yeah. But I would take the 5 minute and go for long. Yeah, we're tapping out of the 5 minute here. See if we're rebalancing 50% of this leg here. We're close, we're close, we're close. Wow. Nah, we're gonna come back, resweep this. Hopefully. Use gamma levels, I do not. Unicorn models of fair value gap layered with a breaker block. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Looking at this to come sweep this 5 minute low we just made. Sweep that and then start to turn up here. Let's see what that next 15 is going to do. It's probably going to expand lower and then rip, huh? How did you miss those longs? How did you miss English class? Misted. You missed it, English class. Triple equal highs. Yes. I know. I just want to see this resweep here. Wow, 15 minutes. Gross. Move isn't over yet. I know. C-Los, how we doing, my boy? Learning about OB, can you quickly talk about them? Point it out. It's just the last impulse move for the displacement, so this will be an order block here. Gonna look for a resweep here. Once we get that resweep, I'm gonna look to target some longs. Wow, look at that 15 just flip. Can you explain the rebalance of the leg? Yeah, I mean, you're just rebalancing the leg. I don't really know what else to... All right, boys, we're gonna see here. I want to be patient. I think that 15 just opened. 15 opens in another minute. We got to start pushing higher here if this 15 is gonna want to expand. Thinking longs here. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too. I might give a small position whirl here if we get this confirmed. See here, boys. I want to see if it's going to give it to us. If it's not going to, we're not going to take it. Not giving it to us yet, boys. Not giving it to us yet. See where this 15 is going to close. We got a new 30 coming in too. Maybe the 15 can inverse. Yeah, it's not gonna happen on this candle, but
imagine being able to build an app with your name on it just by thinking about it.
Yes, you should be break even if you're in that 2 minute. I would be break even. All right, let's see here, boys. Let's see here. We have 5 seconds till this 15 and the new 5 opens. I'm gonna see what happens here. I wanna see what happens. I wanna see what color we. Okay, so we closed there on the 15. See what happens here. Let's see, boys. If we get a close above here, I am going to take this long. Let's see here, boys. Let's see. We might be bearish. No, I don't think we're bearish. S5's gonna have to start flipping here. What are the keyboard shortcuts? I just clicked the number, so 5 minute, 1-5 for 15, 3-0 for 30, 5, 1. Let's see here, boys. Let's see if we get a little model forming here. Looks like we want to continue just a little bit lower, which is fine. No longer valid there. See if we get a little push here. Caught the longs from the 15. Love it, my boy. Love it, love it, love it. All right, let's see, boys. Make sure you guys use code BEN on all firms to get the best discount possible. Apex Trader Funding, Lucid, TPT, all that good stuff. Triple equal highs above is juicy. I know it is juicy. The 15 does not look great though. 5 minute doesn't look good either. This hourly just started to flip, bro. We'll see here. If we get a close above here, I'm gonna be in this. Low key. Stops here. Got it stopped out for longs. All good, my boy. I might take this entry here if we get a change in the state. Someone tell me what he's trading. It's NQ. Says it right in the background, my guy. Right there. Came back to chat. Sorry for the rude comment about missing longs. Have a great night. You're all good, my boy. No stress. No stress. Locked in patience? I know. We're locked. So locked, boys. This 5's going to need to start flipping here. We got a minute 30. I think we range if we don't get the close above shortly. Yeah, we may. All right, let's see if we get it here. Yeah, but the full name, that's what I mean. Never heard of it. You've never heard of the NASDAQ? Patience is fire. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, we're just chilling here, boys. Just chilling. Just waiting. Just waiting. What are we looking for? We're looking for a long here. Looking for a long. We're in an internal 5 minute here. I want to see if we're going to hold this. We got 34 seconds. We're going to need to hold this. If we don't, it's probably going to end up short. And if this 5 minute flips, that would be great. That would be a beautiful. I do not want to see this 5 minute go inverse. Alright, I'm going to give this a whirl here, boys. Stops are going below the lows here. Stops going at the lows at 617. I'm going to partial at the highs here. Again, please do not risk your entire account on this. Please do not risk your entire account on this. Let's see if we can't get a little push here. 5 minute looks healthy. We're probably going to come down, tap this 5 minute rejection block here, and then continue higher. Wow, that's a very wicky candle there. There's the tap of that 5 minute. I need to see this flip. If we get a retest here, we need to start to see this give us another change in the state. Need to get a close above here, and this will look beautiful. This will look beautiful. All right, let's see the expansion here. See the expansion. Want to see this expansion here. Once we take this externals here, all these relative equal highs, I am going to go break even for sure. Going to go break even for sure, boys. Let's see if we can get a push here. See if we can get a push. Beautiful expansion. There we go. Now we're copping dubs. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Again, stay cool, calm, collected. While this is starting to expand, you don't need to freak out, right? Just let the trade do its thing. Sit here, have some patience. That's all you can do. All you can do. Just want to see an expansion above these highs, boys. Above these highs. We have triple relative equal highs. We have buy side. We're tapping out of a 15 minute here. Beautiful close here. Look at that 15 starting to expand, right? If this 15 closed bearish, I was not going to take this. This needed close bullish. CRT, sweep this. Want to see this sweep these highs here. So it's just very bullish right now. Again, this all stems from this hour at the very open. I called this, right? If I take everything off my chart, this hour change in the state here, just want to see the internal to external. Again, I called this draw as my main draw here. I want to see this taken. Look at our hourly. Tapping this hourly fair value gap, expanding higher. I want to see this push higher. Let me put everything back on my chart so you guys can see. But again, just time and price, baby. Time and price. See if we can't get a little move higher, boys. WD, how'd you master your psychology like that? Just takes time. Just takes time. The entry wasn't the best. That change in the state, the market structure shift happened pretty high. So we'll see. How we doing, TikTok? Make sure you guys like up the stream. Drop a dub in the chat. This is one New York's entry, bro. Yeah, this is pretty much similar to the entry I took in New York, boys. Have to be patient and focused. Have to be, boys. Have to be. Have to be. Have to be. Have to be patient. Let this run. Let this eat. I missed it. It's all good. It's all good. Full TP is going to be at the highs at the daily highs, to be honest. I'm going to hope we can get this expansion here. Discard that. 117 points here. This is going to be a massive win if we get this, boys. Massive win here. Massive win. We got triple relative equal highs. I just want to see us expand here once we get to these relative equal highs. We need to start to close through them. If we start to turtle it and wick it, I may be close to closing position, but we'll see. We'll see. We should expand here. 1 hour change in the state off the failure swing to the downside. Again, I called this all off open, boys. If you guys have been here the entire time, I called this. I took a short here, managed my position poorly. Want to see us tap this 15. Again, missed the entry down here. It's fine. Wait for this rebalance, and now we're in this trade. So this one should deliver us here. But yeah. Entered on the retest of the breaker block. Love it, my boy. There was also a beautiful unicorn model here. Look. Low, high, lower, low, V-shape recovery. There's the retest of that breaker and that fair value gap. Now we just want to see expansion. Our next confirmation is going to be this 15-minute inversion going. We got 5 minutes here. It looks pretty healthy. It looks like a beautiful, healthy close on the 15-minute. If we can get that 15-minute close, it's going to be beautiful for our trade. Hopefully we don't wick this and start to get another turn down. If we do, it's going to be unfortunate, but hopefully we get an expansion here. Your patience, bro. Admired a lot. How long you been trading? Almost 5 years now. Almost 5 years. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate it. We're just waiting here. Just being patient. Hopefully we can get an expansion here above these highs. We got triple relative equal highs here. Want to see this just expand. How did you practice it? Paper trade and paper trade heavy size. So that way when you get to the real fundeds and you're risking, you know, I'm up 400 bucks right now. It doesn't seem as much as when I risk and like you're in paper and you're in 10 minis, right? You're seeing you're up 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. So now when I'm sitting here and I'm up 400, I can just manage my risk saying, okay, that's a healthy day. We're up about 400 bucks. Let's, you know, manage risk accordingly. Keep the patience, keep the discipline. But yeah. For an IFVG as a confluence for an entry, what's the lowest time frame you use for an IFVG? Usually the 1 minute. I usually don't take 30-second entries. Count this as a break even here. Unfortunate wick out there. Unfortunate. Just want to see this expand here. Hopefully we can get the expansion above these highs. W's in the chat. WWW. What time do you usually trade to on Asia? Usually till about... I usually trade for about 2 hours-ish. Just want to see us expand a little higher here, boys. Just want to see us expand a little higher. Thank you guys for tuning in on the TikTok and the YT. If you guys are tuning in, make sure you guys drop follows, drop likes. My name's DEEJTRADESS. I'll be here for the Asia sessions. Make sure you guys tune in. How many cons did you go in? I'm in 1 mini right now currently. You the GOAT. I'm up out 1K on the day. Appreciate it. Much love, my boy. Much love. If you guys want to partial some of these relative equal highs, not bad. How many points is the stop? 25. The entry here is a little high. We probably could have waited for a little pullback, but hey, okay. I'm gonna need to see what one of these candles flip, and then I just need to see this expand pretty high. I'd love to see a close up in here. If we can get above this, pretty healthy. This is gonna look like a very healthy leg here. Big engulfing candles. Breakaway gap down here. I would love to see this just expand. If we're gonna wick this and we get a change in the state out of that, I'm gonna close my position. We need to burst through this. If we don't, it's gonna be down to the pound town. Into macro, should I get out both at highs at partial? I'm waiting. I'm gonna see if we can't partial and get out of these relative equal highs. I think this should deliver. The hourly is gonna close healthy. We got a minute till that 15 closes. The next 15 should expand us higher. But yeah. This is looking great. I would hate to see this 15 come, or this 15 close up here and come all the way and retest this inversion that we're about to create. So I'd love to see this start to just show some volume here through this. But yeah. Any advice on trading intraday drawdown? Just trail your stops, take your partials, and exit positions. Exit positions if you can. All right, I need to see an expansion through this. I would really love to see this just absolutely take off here. Advice on trade management to going break even at 1-to-1 better or partialing better. What do you mean? Oh, that's not the close I want to see. If we get a change in the state, yeah, I don't like that. I'm gonna go break even here, boys. I'm gonna go break even. We swept those. We stopping at these highs and changing the state here. I don't like that. I'm gonna protect my trade here in case this wants to turn around on us and come take these lows again. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we don't. It's crazy how you called the whole move. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm just covering risk here. I don't really like this. Again, this looks like a short entry, so this may come and take us out. Yeah, that's unfortunate. This is going to take us out. We're gonna need to balance here. We got 23 seconds till that 15 closes. I'm gonna need this next 15 to start expanding, boys. I'm gonna need it to start expanding. Yep, I'm gonna need this next 15 to expand. 6 seconds. I do not want to see this 15 to start engulfing down here. Do not want to see it start to engulf down. It needs to just make a little bottom wick and then turn up and then expand. Like it needs to happen quick. If we come anywhere close here, it's gonna be gone. So this 15 needs to expand very, very quickly. I like that reaction. Need to start to see this. If we get a change in the state back up to the upside, I'll be comfortable in this. It's crazy how you called the whole move. You call it every single day. Appreciate it, my boy. Bam, there we go. There's that 15. Just like I said, this 15 should just deliver us. This should be a big, quick 15. I love this. Yeah, this is great. There go the equal highs. There we go. There's the push. Don't want to see this turtle soup this. Don't want to see this turtle soup this. I'm going to sell a little bit here at the partials. Give me a little bit higher, Bam. All right. Out a little partial there, boys. Just want to see this continue higher. We need to continue higher here. This 15 cannot wick up. It's got to continue higher. If this 15 starts to flip down, it's not going to be good. Need to see this continue higher. I know we have 4 relative equal highs up here. Just give me an expansion, please. Full TP up 6.7K. Love it, my boy. Love it, love it, love it. This 15's got to start expanding. Hopefully we don't come down to that 5 minute. I just want to see this expand here. Give us a breakaway gap. Give me a big girthy candle. Give me a little girth master. You figure it out. What do you mean? Need to see this start to expand here. First partial's taken. About to start macro 2. Should expand at 750. Yeah, we have 4 minutes to the macro. If we fail this before the macro, we're probably gonna end up coming and taking these lows down here. But yeah, I just need to see a healthy close up in here. Need to see a healthy close. $130 full TP. W in the chat, my boy. Appreciate you for tuning in. Appreciate you for tuning in. Oh, this just needs to give us some delivery here. A little bit of delivery. Can I buy now? No, I wouldn't. I closed, to be honest. It's all good. 30-minute looks too wicky. Yeah, that's such a gross 30-minute, bro. Or 15. Like, come on, man. Like, come on, dog. What time do you go live? 7:30 p.m. Eastern, boys. 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Oh, give me a healthy candle here. That would be beautiful. I feel like it's going to tag me out at break even and then go. We do have a 5-minute here. 15-minute did go inverse. I mean, we're not giving it much room to tap that 15-minute inverse, but better to cover risk than not. Damn it. Well, it partialed me out of 3. Why does it be doing that, bro? How do you take me out of partial of my positions? Like, that's crazy, dude. Alright, a little 1-to-1, boys. It's A-okay. A-okay. Break even in the chizat. If that 5-minute flips, are you going to look for shorts? No, I don't think we're going to flip this 5-minute. That 15's so bullish, bro. How am I still in this trade? I don't know how we fail there, bro. Partially executed feels happened to me too. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. Like, all my orders are sitting at 1 level. How does it take only, you know, a little bit of them. It sucks. Bro, what? You're still in? Yeah, we're still in. I don't know how. Kind of want to add my 7 positions back. What in the name? Like, what in the heck, bruh? How do you take me out of... how do you take me out of, like, not all my positions, bruh? What? What? Are we serious? Damn, it said you can make a little money, but not too much, you know what I'm saying? What the? What in the name, bruh? That's insane. I might try and get my contracts back here. We just got an inversion here. Give me a little push down. Alright, I'm just gonna add my 7 there. Screw it. What a trade. This is crazy. Alright, we're just gonna put our stop at the at this low here. Damn, if this trade goes bad, I mean, this is terrible. My entry was all the way down here, bruh. This is insane. This is crazy. Like, what? Watch, it's probably gonna stop me out, too. Stops at invalidation. I know, they should be down here, but I just freaking got partialed out of like 2 positions, so I re-added. Change in state. I don't know. This trade's all messed up, bro. They set us up. They set us up. They set us up. This is criminal. This is crazy, bro. Like, we were up on the trade and now we're probably gonna end up flat. How does my stop loss take me out of 3 contracts and not all of them? Unfortunate. That's terrible, bro. There's a W flip. Give me a little bit of expansion here. I'm gonna take 5 off at these highs though, since it wanted to mess us up here. Alright, now this should expand through these highs, bro. If it doesn't, we fail here for another time. We're getting absolutely cooked. Someone here's got to be working with the banks, bro. Insane. Alright, let's get an expansion here. Give me a little expansion. Trading view has been horrible this entire week. I know. I want to get back in. I know. Yeah, that was just unfortunate, bro. My entry was all the way down here. My entry was where my stop's at. My stop would have been down here. Market makers in the chat, bro. Who is it? Someone rat him out. Great continuation entry. Appreciate it, Primal. I mean, changing the state. Test out the reinversion here. Flip. Change the state again. Expansion. This should just expand. This should just expand. Hopefully we can get a little dub here. That's crazy. That's going to partial me out of 7 of my positions and then just do this. Hey, okay. Want me to sell so it goes up? Yes, please. Yes, please. Please sell. Damn, he's selling right now. Ben's adding millions to move the market against us. I doubt he's entering you said B with a bill. One, Ben does very well for himself, but he does not have billions. No, there's not. You probably don't even know a billionaire. He knows billionaires, but Ben does not have billions. That's a big number. That's a very big number. All right, a little bit of an expansion here. Unfortunately, we're not going to win as much because of the entry. Hopefully, we can just get an expansion above these highs. I am in a partial 5. Once we get up there, take half off. Oh, don't do that. Just continue. Just give me the continuation here. Look at that 15-minute looking healthy. 30 minutes looking gorgeous. The hourly, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We have 4 minutes to the next hourly. It should deliver us higher here. Should deliver us higher. People don't understand how much a billion is. Exactly. Exactly. You guys notice how we had a little debacle here? How I'm keeping my emotions chill, right? It happened. Freak out for a little bit. Get back in. You can re-engage with the market, right? Don't just click buttons, but find things that you want to re-engage with, right? We're rebalancing this leg, tapping that change in the state, that order block, and then what happens, right? We get that next change in the state, inversion, we get a retest, enter off the inversion retest, and we added back our position. So hopefully this just gives us an expansion now. Hopefully we don't have to mess around with the stop here, and hopefully we can just get the continuation, because man, that was a good entry. But got unfortunate executions today. We've had both the moves right. We've called everything to a T today, boys. Everything to the T. Now, if this fails here, wow, I'm going to be mega surprised. This 5 minute just needs us to deliver. It needs to just flip and go. It's got to just flip and go. If it's going to close down in here, this is not good. I don't like it. I don't like it. I need this to continue. The 15 minutes got to continue. If the 15 flips, we're screwed. We are scrickety screwed. Where's TP? 688.25. 688.25, boys. Need this 5 minutes to just flip here. Need this to just flip. Dude didn't sweat one bit. I appreciate it. Had all the right ideas. Exactly. Exactly. That's all that matters. It's rage baiting us. This is crazy. Here's the thought here. I want to go break even here. One of two reasons. If this 15 is going to flip, it's going to turn red right at my entry. And if it's going to flip, we're more than likely going to get stopped out anyway. So I am going to go true break even here, boys. I think this should just expand us. I don't think it should mess around at all. I'm going to cover my risk here. Unfortunate that we had a little entry debacle, but we were true in here. We just added here. So hopefully we can get the expansion here. And yeah, that sucks. Our full TP was at about $1,000. Now we're only getting about 500. It's A-okay though. A-okay. Just want to see this expansion. I don't think this 15 is going to flip, but if for some reason it does, I don't want to be in this anymore. I could be wrong. What do you mean? You got it, my boy. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah, I just want to see this 15 continuous. The 5 minutes flipping now. It's expanding higher. This is beautiful. We're going to take half off here. We're going to let the rest run to these highs up here. Hopefully we can get to previous day high. Once we expand there, I think we're chilling. Hopefully it doesn't come down to our entry, though, because our entry got a little bit messed up. But check stop? What do you mean? Sell stop 10. I'm good. Just need to see this expand here, boys. The 5, not as structurally good as before. The 15 looks still good. We have a minute on this 15. Our next 15's got to deliver us, bro. Our next 15's got to deliver us. Yeah, stop looks good, boys. Thank you for asking, though. Stop is okay here. This next 15 should deliver us. We have a minute. Hopefully, if this minute doesn't absolutely death candle us to the ground and stop us out, we should be good. We should be good. New hourly candle open in 1 minute. Yeah, I want to see us make the top of our wick, expand, and then flip and turn down. Hopefully we don't make a bottom wick. Need to see these start to flip here. I don't want to see this come down here. I don't like that. We have 20 seconds till this 15-minute candle opens and the new hourly. If we just start dumping, it's not going to look good. Not going to look gooda. 5 seconds. Hopefully we can just get a rip to TP, boys. Hopefully we can just get a rip to TP. We had the same entry, but all my contracts got taken out of lockdown. Now revenge trading tonight. CD, have a good one, my boy. No worries, no worries. Alright, this just needs to make a very small wick and just expand. This has just got to go now. If it's going to come down anymore, it's not going to be good. There we go. Please give me some delivery here. One time for the bad executions. Hopefully we can just get a little delivery here for having some bad executions. Open, low, high, close on the 15. Yes, we need to see it. We need to see it. Open, low, high, close. There we go. That 15 open lower. Here comes first TP, boys, out of the entry here. First TP. We called this market both ways. Shorts and the longs. Let's freaking go. Hopefully we can hit TP1 here. TP1. Gonna take about half of my position off. Hopefully we can just get an expansion here. Really need to start to see this 5 give us this delivery. If this 5's not gonna deliver, it's gonna be scary. I'm proud of you. Appreciate it, Primal. Appreciate it. We saw both of this. We saw this happen. Do you want to know why I knew this was happening, Primal? Look what happened on the hourly at the open. Look at that hourly right there. Oh, that tells the tale for the whole session, my boy. For the whole session. All right, let's see if we're going to hit TP1 or not. TP1 coming in. Incoming here, boys. Hopefully we can get this expansion. Such a beautiful move. Unfortunate debacle on the entries here. That sucks. It tagged me out of 7 of them. But man, we are not delivering here. We are not delivering. Need to see this start to flip. Need to see this start to flip. Oof, I don't like that. This 15 is gonna need to expand here. It's gotta be pretty quick. W trade, appreciate it. Watching the 2-minute helps your mental. Yeah, I mean, I'm watching the 1 and the 5. I like to see the smaller time frame candles just so I can see us. We're creating LR here, so ideally I'd like to see a big expansion before we go lower. Secure the bag. Well, we're gonna wait here. If we get up in here, I'll probably partial 5. Hopefully we can just get an expansion through these highs. I think we're gonna get it. I'm gonna trust myself here. I'm gonna move this just a hair lower. We're gonna go here. TP1 coming in, boys. TP1 coming in. Here we freaking go. Here it comes. Type a W in the chat. Spam them up. We call this market to a T again tonight, boys. Let's freaking go. Bangarang in the chat. Let's get it. Hopefully we get TP1 here. Taking about half of my position off. W's in the chat. We are reining it in today, boys. I'm telling you, I forward tested last night. And man, y'all are about to see a dog out of me. I swear, bro. Come on. Let's go. Hopefully we can get up there. I might just take the 5 off here. This is criminal. Go up just a little bit and I'm out. I'm out of my 5 there. Give me just a little bit of an expansion higher. A little bit of an expansion higher, please. No, I don't want to see that. Don't want to see that. Give me the flip and I'll take 5. Give me the flip and I'll take 5. Just going to be patient here, boys. Want to see us get a little bit higher and I'll take 5 off. I'm going to take half of the position off. Come on, G. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. We're just going to keep the limit there. We're just going to keep the limit there. Oh, don't do this, bro. Didn't you have a limit? I did. Oh, no way this tags us out, bro. No way this does. No way this does, right? No way it does, right? It's gonna give us TP1. Usually it does this right before it'll hit a main draw. It'll usually do this right before I hit a main draw. I'll start to scare people, and then it'll give you a big healthy candle through that draw. Broke even, can't wait to see that dog, LOL. Love it, my boy, love it. Late night game of ping pong, I know, I know. Alright, if we get a close above this here, we're chilling. We are chilling. This should give us the expansion here. Here comes TP1 in the chat. So beautiful, boys. Entry here, re-entry. Hopefully we get the change in the state here, and hopefully we just get the expansion through these highs. I'm going to move this up just a hair. We're going to come through these, hopefully. Hopefully. I'll give myself like a ticket draw down here. There we go. Alright, here comes TP1, boys. Here comes TP1. Hopefully we get the change in the state. Give me a little close. It's close. This candle should deliver us. This candle should deliver us, hopefully. Call Trump now. I got oil for him. That's hilarious. Oh, come on. Give me expansion higher. Here comes TP1, boys. This should expand here. This should expand. Oh man, no. Oh no. No. We gotta stay above this here. Gotta stay above it. Just give me a wiki wick and then turn. Give me a wiki wick, then turn. We gotta stay above this. We got 2 minutes to stay above that. Now we're looking for a close above here, boys. Close above here. We gotta stay above this. Thanks for the W stream. I'm out. Great cause. Peace out. Amen. Appreciate you, my boy. Thank you for tuning in. They're playing with us. I know they're just. A lot of times it'll do this before you hit TP. It'll just kind of mess with you. Get people to close their trades. Hopefully this is not a turnaround here, bro. Oh, if it gives us the 5-minute change in the state, it's game over, dude. It's game over. Oh, it's so game over if this goes. We got 2 minutes to get up. We got 2 minutes to flip here. Hopefully this flips. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Just keep going. Just keep going. There you go. You know what you want to do. You know what you want to do. Love you, Deej. Appreciate it, my boy. Gotta stay above this minute. This minute's gotta close above that. If not, it's gonna be scary. Oh, this has gotta flip here. It's gotta start flipping here. We got 30 seconds. If it closes below here, I'll probably cut the trade. Needs to start pushing up higher. I would love a close up in here. 15 seconds here, boys. Oh, that's not good at all. That's not good at all. Oh, that sucks. Close my positions. Thanks for the stream, Deej. All good, all good. My name is DEEJTRADESS, boys. If you guys have not been tuning in, make sure you guys tune in every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. We are live, boys. We are live. Oh, this is cooked. This 5-minute closes like this. We're shocked. Oh, it's so unfortunate, bruh. My entry was down here, dude. Unfortunate. Oh, it's A-okay. A-okay. This is criminal, boys. Criminal! Creating LR. Yeah. I'm gonna wait to see here. We'll see if we can get up into here. Dang, that's unfortunate. A break-even trade's a win. It is. I know. Just unfortunate because my break-even wouldn't have been here. My break-even wouldn't have been here if I was in this long here. But it's fine. It probably would have been break-even anyway, which is fine. Alright, let's see here, boys. Let's see. Take another trade? Yeah, we'll see here. We'll see. We'll see here, boys. I'll probably look for some sort of failure swing here and then find some shorts here. Now that we've confirmed this to the downside here. 15 minutes going to give us a change in the state. We got 2 minutes till that closes. 5 minute, we'll probably make a top wick on this 5 coming up into here, make a failure swing. This is looking like it wants to come down here, boys. If we get this 15-minute change in the state, I'll probably look to take some shorts here. We're just going to be ping-ponging this every which way, huh? Every which way. There's the 15. Let's see here, boys. Let's see. We'll just LARP that. Yeah, okay. Oh, back's killing, boys. Back's killing. Hopefully we can get an expansion here. Did my boy Deej catch a dub yet? Yeah, Camelot, we got right here to full TP and just missed it barely. A-okay though. And then I got tagged out of like 3 of my positions here, or 7 of my positions out of my mini. I don't know. We'll see. Got a minute till this next 15 opens. I want to see the 15 make the top of its wick. I'm going to turn this to the 15 here. We have broke structure to the downside here on the 15 if this gives us the close. So once we get that, I'll basically look to take a failure swing here and target these lows if we get the change in the state on the 15. Respect to the 5-minute fair value gap again, by the way. Yes, but look at that. Look how we're starting to change the states, right? 5 minutes coming down, 15 minutes about to give it to us. Got a minute, a 15-minute. I want to see this 15-minute open up, and we may even come up to this 15-minute rejection block, or the OB here. But yeah, we'll see. You haven't had an L day since you started shooting on Asia's? No, I have not. Is this Ben's brother? No. Alright, boys, I want to see if we can get back into this OB, to be honest. I want to see us come here and make a failure swing. It's going to be retesting the change in the state here. It'll be 15-minute change in states coming in 10 seconds. So this 15-minute next is going to open. I'd love to see us make the top of the wick, maybe even sweep down the next 5-minute. See if we can come down here. We also have, yeah, the 15-minute open here. I want to see this 15-minute candle just absolutely shoot up here. We're just tapping into that hourly there. We'll see. We'll see here. Thanks, bro. Made 140 today, and those 25K. I was losing around. Lost my first 5 funded accounts. So take it slow this time. See you tomorrow. Thank you. You're such a good trader and a friendly human. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, if this is gonna turn like that, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna look to see if we can take some. There's a tab of that. This is criminal. I think the short would have to be here, huh? Unfortunate, yeah. Insane PA, I know. I know. Watch an ICT trade on X has my jaw down. Yeah, he's really good. She gave it. What do you mean, Primal? Yeah, I knew it from up here. That 5-minute was starting to turn. I was in a long though. Got stopped out here. I was just waiting for this to come back up into this OB. That's kind of what I was thinking. Maybe we can get a tap into this OB and then come down. Maybe we tap OTE. Yeah, I feel like that was the OTE tap. Right, yeah, right off the 6-2. It's criminal. Can we short here? I wouldn't short right here. The retest of the 15-minute flip. Yeah. Retest on the 15-minute flip. 30 is about to come down too, bro. He streams AM session on his own channel, DEEJTRADESS. Yeah, if you guys do not follow me, my name is DEEJTRADESS. I trade here on Ben's YouTube for the Asia sessions at 7:30 p.m. Eastern every single day. DEEJTRADESS, make sure you guys follow me on the socials, Instagram, YTX. Make sure you guys use code Ben as always to get the best discounts possible. 90% off on Apex. No consistency in the evaluation with code Ben. Bearish gap. Oh, the 5-minute? Yeah. We'll see what happens here. If we get a failure swing and we fail to take this high and we get, yeah. Goat. Is that what you're seeing too, Primal? You thinking? It's kind of what I'm seeing here. I don't know if it's going to want to give it to us, though. Sold on the tap of the 3-minute. Nah, 15-minute gap tap was the one. Yeah. I'm just conflicted because we're testing out of an inversion here, too. We're testing out of inversion, so this may long here. I'm just conflicted. If we inverse this 5, maybe we'll find some longs, but I feel like we're just creating this low resistance liquidity until we get to the expansion above here. Let me turn this off here so I can see. Let me see here. So that unicorn model played out the 15 there. We need 5-minute structure now, I think. Yeah. Because that's not telling me that this wants to continue down. This is just showing me that we're doing this kind of thing. Let me swipe internals here, so maybe this is the delivering leg here. We'll see here. Like if we get a failure swing here and then a change in the state out of here, we'll look to take that. But I really want to see what happens in this OB, to be honest with you, because if it's going to react how I think it's going to react, and it's also a 15-minute, I mean, that's just so strong, bro. We got a 15-minute change in the state here. That could have been the retest of the hourly. I feel like we're just conflicted both ways here. I feel like it's really conflicted. I want to see what this 5-minute does here. If this 5-minute opens up and starts to I mean, there's another 5-minute change in the state here. Yeah, I mean, we confirmed going this way. I'm going to look for this to make a failure swing here. We do have a unicorn model here. Hopefully we can find something around here. I'll look to take an entry to the upside. Maybe something like this, get a pullback here, maybe even scare us a little bit, and then give us that change in the state out of there. Continue to our draw. I really do think this is, I'm just going to trust the higher time frames. If we look at the hour, again, primal here, right? Failure swing to the low, change in the state. We're just going to continue this, and we're just respecting expansion. I feel like this is just coming down to either tap the hourly rejection block here, the hourly rejection block, which is right where my entry's at, and then turn back up. Because we still have 38 minutes in this hourly. I think we're in open, low, high close on this hourly. I want to see this expand. I would love to see this hourly make the open, low, high close. Our 5-minute, I mean, if that 5 minutes going to hold, wow. Maybe scare us a little bit here. But that's retesting the 15-minute change in the state there. Yeah, I'm just so conflicted here. I'm just so conflicted. I'm seeing things both ways. I'm going to take a step back here, boys. I'm going to take a step back here. I'm going to clear everything off my screen. We're going to take a... Hold up. A couple executions tonight. Unfortunate tag out. And then AW. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're going to take everything off my screen here. We're going to reset. Damn, bro, you still on? I am. How we doing, boys? Primal. Much love, my boy. Yeah, I'm just seeing things both ways here. I'm going to be patient. I was giving them some time, but Ben's still up, I guess. What do you mean? I don't know why y'all are hating on Ben. Ben's a great trader, bro. He's made a lot trading. Because I see this as us coming to tap this hourly rejection block here. I mean, we do this thing where we continue to deliver the higher time frame structure, but we tap absolutely everything in discount. Hold on, boys, one sec. Alrighty, boys. Alright, boys, let's see. They hate us because they ain't us. Exactly. There's a 1 minute fair value gap. Congrats, my boy. Love it. Yeah, that held beautifully here. I want to see where this 5 minute close is here. The boss is calling. Yeah, if you mean my wife. Ben's in his underwear breathing from his mouth at 3 a.m. here. That's hilarious. Yeah, boys. Caught a couple entries. Unfortunate. We called everything to the T today, boys. The shorts to the 15-minute gap. The longs out of the 15-minute gap. The longs here. If we get down into here, if we get the sweep of this internal here, I love to take longs. I would love to take longs. Got a call from the market makers? Yeah. Donald Trump actually just rang the bell, and he said, Deej, let me tell you something. I know where it's about to go. All right, let's see here, boys. Let's see. Bless you. Appreciate it. I'm gonna put those executions back on my screen so you boys can see here what I was thinking. What's the indicator? It's called HTFPO3. HTFPO3, boys. HTFPO3. Alright, let's see here, boys. Let's see. Where do you stream New York? I usually don't stream New York. Soon I will be streaming New York. Make sure you guys like up the TikTok. Make sure you like up the YT, boys. If you guys are joining and you want to tune in every single day, my name is DEEJTRADESS. My socials are right here. I have all the socials. Make sure you guys follow me on the X, the IG, TikTok, and the YT. We are here every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern on Benjamin SMC, YT, and TikTok. Make sure you guys use code BEN to get the best discounts possible, boys. Best discounts possible. Kind of want to try this light size here, boys. Kind of want to try a light size. I'm gonna see how we react off this change in the state here. Gonna see how we want to react. We're gonna need to hold this here. I'm gonna wait on this. Yeah, it's not gonna want to hold this change in the state here. Let's see here. 5 minutes coming down. We're dipping into that hourly rejection block now. Maybe we get a tap just back into this fucking. I mean, once we sweep these lows. Maybe this is the draw here. We're just playing a range, right? Chop low resistance liquidity run, take the internals, and then we get a V shape out of here. Maybe we're just tapping the top of this gap again. Make a failure swing high here. Give us a change in the state, and then we'll look to target the upside. I think that low wants to get swept before moving higher. Which is unfortunate because we're still holding bullish structure. Still holding bullish structure. I mean, I called this all freaking night, boys. All freaking night. I mean, I'm just telling you guys exactly where this market wants to go. We're just getting unfortunate entries here, right? For me here, I'm just knowledge, confirmation to go here, right? Changing the state. Beautiful. We're taking this high. I don't know if we're going to want to make a failure swing here and come sweep this low, or if this is just tapping off this order block. So this hourly is going to be really important for me. And so is this 30-minute. If we're going to hold this structure, this is going to be the bottom of the wick and we're going to start to turn up, I'm going to be confident taking a long. But if this starts to fail and we don't find any support, it's going to be very tough. Going to be very tough. Let's take a peek at ES here, see what we got going on. ES is not taking this low yet. We have stacked highs here. Oh my gosh, dude. We just have so many stacked highs. We're just chilling near. Just chilling near. Oh, the hip hurting. New 5 minutes about to open here, boys. New 5 minutes about to open. I'm gonna look to take a long here, boys. I think this 5 minutes gonna flip. It's gonna be beautiful here. Yeah, I should make the bottom of the wick here and flip. If this gives us a change to state, I'm gonna be in this. Gonna be in this. Lock in and chillax a little bit. What do you mean, home dog? I'm chilling. I am chilling. Oh man, I do gotta use the restroom though. Alright, let's see if we get the flip here on this 5 minute. Oh, if it gives us this change in the state, I'm in this, and I'm going to target the highs here. It's got to give us a strong close here, though. Oh, I don't like that flip. Oh, that sucks. I got to use the restroom 1 sec, boys. Alrighty, boys, I'm back. I want to see you trade the AM session. Oh, I got you, boys. I got you. I guess I'll give y'all a signal. That's criminal. That's criminal. Yeah, if we get the 1 minute change in the stay here, I'm going to take this. Already mentioned he has his own YT. I do. I'm working on some YT videos for you guys. I'm working on it. We got 5 seconds. If this gives us a change in the stay here, I'm gonna give this a whirl. Oh, that's not good. We're more than likely going to come take this wick low now. Watch this candle. It'll come down here. It'll tag that, and if it wants to flip, we'll be good. If it's gonna go here and displace, it's gonna suck. Gonna suck. We're vibing here, boys. Vibing, mobbing, chilling. Oh yeah, I gotta bladder like a squirrel, boys. If I gotta go, it's quick. It's in and out, boys. It's out there. You know what I'm saying? We play no games in the toilet room. You know what I'm saying? In the toilette. In the toilette. Hey, parlez français? Oui, oui, merci beaucoup. Come on, boys. That's a little hefty there. We'll go 500 here. I need to see a change in the state here. Bladder like a squirrel is crazy. It's crazy, but it's true, boys. This sucks. It sucks. Damn, this is just being criminal here, boys. Being criminal. I understand now why I didn't hit the TP, because you didn't put the magnet up there. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's literally it. We did not put the magnet up there. That's what it was, boys. That's what it was. No magnet. No magnet. Pass another eval tonight. On to the funded. Love it, my boy. Love it. Yeah, hopefully we can find a trade here. I'm hoping to take a continuation. Continuation to the upside. Wow, that's a dirty flip there. That's a dirty flip. I'm telling you, if you get this change in the state, I'm in this, boys. I am in this here. The 5's not looking like it wants to flip, though, but these reactions are kind of just stalling here. Kind of just stalling. Need the sushi too? Oh, that sounds gas, boys. That sounds gas. Like up the stream on the TikTok and the YT. Like it up, boys. Like it up. Why no stream AM? Working on it. Working on it, boys. Working on it. All right, we got 12 seconds here. It may give it to us. See if we get the execution here. Give me the change in the state. 2, 1. All right, I'm in there. We're going to give this a whirl here. See if we can get some delivery back up to the upside. We're just going to hold this one, boys. We're just going to hold this one. See if we can't get an expansion here. See if we can't get the expansion. This is probably going to be my last entry here, boys. Last entry. See if we want to rock and roll. Let's see where VWAP's at. Oh, yeah. Starting to close right back above VWAP. Beauty, beauty. Want to see this expand here. Want to see this expand. This fair value gap goes inverse. It's going to be beautiful. This goes inverse. That would be another entry here, boy. That'd be another entry if this goes inverse. Another entry if you missed it. Go inverse. Go inverse. I'm gonna sell 5 off at these highs, boys. We're gonna partial 5 at the highs. Bro, the magnet. You're so right, bro. Honestly, I've never put the magnet on my screen. It's been a minute. Alright. Hopefully we can get the expansion here. We got the magnet. Now this has got to come to TP, boys. Now this has got to come to TP, right? Now it's got to come to TP. Come on, boys. There we go. There's an expansion. We're calling 3 for 3 tonight, boys. 3 for 3. If you get an inversion, you could add to this position. Or you could take more if you're not in it already. We're missing the magnet. I know. This inversion's got to go, though, boys. This has got to go here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. W's in the chat, Alan. How we doing, my boy? W's in the chat. Hopefully we can get an expansion here. Hopefully we can get the expansion. I'm going to put Trump too. Wait a minute. Call Trump. Get him rocking. Wow, it's moving so fast. My numbers are messing up. There's the expansion, boys. There's the expansion. This is going to be 3 for 3 tonight, boys. 3 for 3 on the bangers. 3 for 3. We're ping-ponging around, boys. Ping-ponging around. Hopefully we can get the inversion here. Oh, give us the inversion one time for the one time. Wow. That's a disgusting flip. That is a disgusting flip. That cannot close like that. Want to see the expansion here, boys. Want to see the expansion. Want to see the expansion here. Hopefully we get it. Hopefully we get it, boys. Hopefully we get it. Alrighty, boys, let's see if we can get the expansion here. See if we can get the expansion. I want to see these highs get swept. This 15 minutes gonna need to close bullish, or this is not gonna be good for us. 5 minutes starting to flip, but this looks good here. I want to see this start to hold. If we get another change in the state, I might add here. Might add another 5. Unless we get this expansion here. Wow, beautiful expansion there. Beautiful. You know why? Because we got the magnet, boys. We got the magnet. Here we go. There we go. Hopefully this gives us the inversion here. That would be extra confirmation that this trade's going to go to the upside, boys. As soon as I put Trump, we went up. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Give us the expansion here. Give me TP1. TP1 in the chat, boys. Here we go. This is going to be 3 for 3 tonight. 3 bangers back to back to back. Come on, baby. We need to give us the close. That would be a great close here if we could get the expansion. Yes. Yes. Close like that. Yes. That's a great close there. Beautiful close. I'm going to add 5 here. I'm going to add 5 to my position. I'm just going to take them right back off at this high. Right back off at this high, boys. Extra confirmation that we're confirmed going to these highs. Inversion here. This should have no problem expanding. Should have no problem expanding, boys. Should have no problem here. I'm just going to take those 5 right off when I get up here, boys. Right when I get up to those highs. How do you achieve such a high win rate? Study the markets for 5 years and give every single day 4 or 5 hours. Oops, this has got to be 20. Alright, hopefully we can get TP1 here, boys. Hopefully we can at least get TP1. Give us the expansion here. Give us the expansion. Where's Ben? Ben's currently in Ibiza. He's currently in Ibiza. Good stuff, Deej. Appreciate it, boys. Appreciate it. We added to our position. Just want to see this expand and give us a first partial here, boys. First partial. First partial here. Let's get it. We are ping-ponging these markets around. This is going to be 3 for 3 if we can just get the expansion, please. Expansion, please. Give me TP. One time for the TP, for the TP. Been doing great on the stream, brother. Much love. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Give me TP1 here. Give me a little bit of a volume push up to the upside. Oh. When do you start trading? It's been almost 5 years now. Are you in? You're in this? Yes, I am, Primal. I am. I added on the inverse. I was in down here after changing the state. Added on the inverse. I'm gonna take the add that I added off these highs. Hopefully we can get the continuation here. Stops at true invalidation now. Just gonna let this run. I can't add a. Alrighty, boys, let's see if we get an expansion through these highs. Want to see this just give us a nice volume push here. If this is going to be no delivery tonight, it's going to suck. I'm scared of this 5-minute rejecting us. Nah, it shouldn't. It shouldn't. Here comes TP1, boys. TP1 in the chat. Let's go. This is 3 for 3 trades, boys. 3 for 3. Here comes the magnet. Here comes TP1. Bang, boys. W's in the chat. Partialed. I am break even now. Sell stop. Bam. Hopefully we can get some expansion to these highs, boys. Hopefully we can get some expansion. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. That's 3 for 3 tonight, boys. 3 for freaking 3. Holy cow. Rein it in. Let's go. We do this every single day. 7:30 p.m. Eastern, boys. 3 for 3 tonight. I'm telling you, I took so much time last night and I studied these markets. We're going to start seeing some crazy stuff here, boys. Some crazy stuff. I'm going to take another 5 off. I'm going to take another 5 off at these highs up here at 688. 688, we're going to take another partial. Here comes TP2, boys. Wow, don't edge me. Don't edge that, TP. Give me a little bit of an expansion here. We're going to have to change this to 10 once this gets smacked. Let's go, boys. W's in the chat, Primal. Rein it in, boys. 3 for 3 tonight. Let's get it. Nice patience, discipline. Congrats, Deej. Appreciate it. All right. We're true break even. All of our partials taken. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Let's freaking go. We're going to take the rest off at the highs and let this just eat here, boys. Let's freaking go. The rest are coming off at the highs. W's in the chat. That's 3 for 3 tonight, boys. 3 for 3. Impressive. I want to learn from you. Appreciate it. Nice patience, discipline. Congrats. First time here, following you now. Love it, boys. W's in the chat. Get us an expansion to the highs, boys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The magnet, boys. The magnet's what's working. Let's freaking go. W's in the chat. We're coming up, boys. We are coming up. Here we go. What is this, a new hourly? Oh, it's a new 15. We got a new 15. Oh, this should just deliver us here, boys. This should just deliver, deliver, deliver. Here we go, boys. What's your weekly schedule? I am live here every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. If you guys want to learn from me, shoot me a DM in the TikTok, IG, YouTube, YT, Instagram, all that good stuff. My name is DEEJTRADESS. I've been trading for a little bit over 5 years now. I have a lot of experience in these markets. I'm very patient, very confident in what I do. If you guys have not already dropped a follow on all my socials, please go drop follows on all my socials. Helps me out a ton. If you guys want to see me stream the New York AM, it helps me out a ton. Like it up, boys. Like up the stream. Drop follows. Get it rolling. Bro's the fucking GOAT. I am certified GOAT material, my boy. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Bro's actually calling everything bar for bar. Indeed. Indeed, boys, we are break even here in the chat. Break even. Do you have a Discord? I do. It's link in my TikTok. Peep cord, I just got to the desk. I'll peep it in a sec here, Primal. I'll peep it in a sec here, my boy. I'm going to call you after the stream, and we're going to go through some stuff, because, yeah. Yeah, your boy's eating. WD's Camelot. Thank you, my boy. Appreciate it. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Oh, yeah, bullish OBs. Yep, all day. All day, Mr. Primal. Mr. Primal. Market maker's gonna ban you. I know. They are gonna ban me. This is about to be bad, boys. Certified. Okay, I'm not reading that. Alright. Not reading that. You only have 440 followers on IG. You're telling me. You're telling me. I only got 440. I know. I know. You're telling me, boys. Come on. You are telling me. 100% the market maker? Nah. Hey, honey. Alright, let's get it, boys. Let's get it. We are break even here. Let's just see if we can get some expansion. We're not really wanting to give any follow through here, to be honest. Not really wanting to give any follow through at all whatsoever. So hopefully we can get a drive to these highs. If not, it's just going to be an unfortunate break even, boys. Unfortunate break even. Needs to bounce now. Yeah, I think we have a... Yeah, I don't like this little 1 minute change in the state after this. But if we can start to flip this and give us a strong close, we're going to be fine. If you guys are not following, my name is DEEJTRADESS. Make sure you guys drop follows. What copy trader do you use? Trade of 8. Trade of 8. Trade of 8. Oh my goodness. Wow. Retest of the inversion here. This candle needs to flip. That's not a great close. That's not a great close here, boys. We need to get a close back above here. If we do, we should be chilling. Nice vibes, too. Appreciate it. And doing it live in front of thousands. You're so locked in. Way to go, Deej. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. If you guys enjoy what I do, let Ben know in the AM streams. Let him know. Thank you. You're going to have to plug it in down here. Is there a plug-in? Can you fit it in one of those? Thank you. Just tapped OTE. We're going to rip now. Yeah, if we can get a change in the state here, this will look beautiful. This will look beautiful, boys. Should continue to the highs. Should continue. I'm back. I thought you ended the stream after the first trade. No. No. You can't unplug anything either. Dang it. Can you plug it in over there? Behind the bed. Thank you. Alrighty, boys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, I don't like that. We need to see a close above that there. Can you explain the PO3 indicator? It's basically just I look at the higher time frames and be able to see them on the higher time frames, that structure. So, but yeah, should push up now from this reaction. If we get the confirmed change in the state here, it's gonna look beautiful. It's gonna look beautiful. Going to look beautiful. We should not come retest it. We should be good to go. This pushes above previous highs. It should pump all the way. Yeah, if we get above here, we should at least take these. So I need to see this close above here, though. Gotta see it close above this, boys. This is 3 for 3 tonight, boys. 3 for 3. We're gonna take everything off at these highs. Everything off at the highs, boys. Everything off at the highs. I think we're gonna reverse from there. So there's the change in the state. Hopefully we can get a push back up. If you guys are joining on the YT, make sure you guys tune in every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. If you guys are on the TikTok, we are live on Benjamin SMC YT and TikTok every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys tune in. We have taken 3 trades tonight and all have been W's. We've gotten screwed on our execution here, screwed on the execution here. It's fine. Still got partial, still took dubs. We're going to end the night almost up a little over $1,000 on the accounts, boys. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. W push there. Wow, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful push there. I'm going to trail my stop to this wick low here. If we're going to come back down there, it's just going to come down. All right, boys. Hopefully we can get the expansion above these highs. Expansion above the highs here. There's the 15-minute open, low, high, close. Look at that. We need the 15 minutes to start to flip here. Hopefully this is the expansion candle that's just going to take all of this, boys. All of it. It needs to all go now. Needs to all go now, boys. If you guys are interested in why I took these trades, follow me on the X. I post all of my trade recaps, all of my stuff that I'm looking for, every execution on the X. Make sure you guys follow. My name is DEEJTRADESS. I trade here every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Here's my name. If you guys follow me on all the socials, the X, TikTok, IG, and the YouTube. Drop follows. Like everything. Let's go, boys. Let's get it. This is 3 for 3 tonight. 3 for 3. Have a serious question as someone who copy trades Apex Trader funding. What I do when I reach 20 accounts, then they hit their max payout, so I just burn the accounts. I don't want live account. Yes, you're just going to have to blow them. It sucks, but you're just going to have to. All right, boys. I just need to see the expansion here. Just need to see an expansion. Pass your first eval. Love it. W's in the chat for Jira. W's in the chat. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Got a runner from 597. Prob's going to hit the sheets and let it breathe. Love it, Mike. Love it, Mike. Enjoy the night. Enjoy the night. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. If we get a close below that there, I am going to cut this. I don't want to see any change in the states, market, nothing. This needs to just go. Needs to go. 30,000 likes on the TikTok, boys. Love it, love it, love it. If you're joining on the YT, we are live every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. We have called 3 bangers out tonight. 3 trades back to back to back, boys. Can you do any giveaways, man? I'll talk to Ben. We'll get some giveaways going for you, boys. Let's go, handsome. Great work tonight. I'm off. Bail me later. I got you, Prime. I'm gonna give you a call after this. I'm gonna give you a call after the stream once I'm out of this trade here. We'll keep it short and sweet. We don't gotta talk for 7 hours like we normally do. Thank you for tuning in, my boy. Mike, have a good one. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is a long stream, boys. Long stream. We are banging it out. We are ping-ponging in market. You know what I'm saying, boys? Know what I'm saying? Just want to hit full TP. Y'all getting 3 bangers for free and still want to give away? I know, I know. This is not healthy here. This is not healthy. Not healthy. Not liking this. Oh, my stop's right at a bad spot. I'm just going to cut this here, boys. I'm just going to cut this here. Give me a little push up. My stop's right at a 5-minute. I'm probably just going to take my... Right as I say that. Well, I'm not going to save 80 bucks.
Stop filled.
Well, alright. Break even. Alright. Damn, no delivery tonight, bro. It's alright. 3 for 3. 3 for 3. Closing up about $500 on all the accounts. Let's freaking go. Alrighty, boys. I am out of here. Thank you guys for tuning in. W in the chat. Bro's been cooking. Appreciate it. 3 for 3 tonight, boys. 3 for freaking 3. W's in the chat. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, much love. Thank you guys for tuning in every single day. We will be live. No, I will not be streaming the AM tomorrow. I will not be streaming the AM. But other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. That's unfortunate. We're right at a 5-minute. This is probably just going to absolutely... Yeah, that's what I was trying to move. My stop! just getting boned. We're just getting boned left and right on the break-evens. Unfortunate. I just need to leave this true. I mean, wow, bro. Wow, 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 wow. That's all right. A-okay. That's all right. That's all right. W risk management, all good in the chat. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're going to head out of here. 3 for 3 tonight. Much love. If you guys took these trades, post them on the socials. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Much love in the chat. New goat in progress. Thank you. Show some love on the X. Show some love on the IG. If you guys do not know, my name is DEEJTRADESS. Please follow me on all the socials. Keep up to date with where I'll be streaming. We stream here on Ben's channel every single day, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys tune in. Use code Ben on all firms, as always. W's in the chat. W night. We managed risk well. Again, unfortunate entry here. Unfortunate here. If we didn't have this, we would have been up fat, boys. We would have been up fat, but it's all right. It's all right. Okay, we managed risk. We are not red. We are green, about 500 on all the accounts. So let's freaking go. W's in the chat. W risk management. Absolutely everything was a W. Follow me on all the socials, and we'll see y'all tomorrow, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for tuning in. Much love, guys. Peace.